Hi trader, I hope you're coping well in this miserable moments. We welcome you back to Deeppockets Forex, where we give you a weekly view on the Forex market. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to get our weekly updates. This is GBPUSD. As for GBPUSD, we forecasted from this level, this movement from here all the way until this level here. As you can see, we moved halfway, and if you missed the setup from here or you did not find a good entry, you can wait for this correction here. We are expecting a correction, then buy all the way up until this level here. This is what we're expecting on GBPUSD. This is what we're expecting, a correction here, then all the way until this level. We're expecting that. If we get a sharp movement down here, we'll be expecting a movement down here. Then from this level here, we'll be looking forward for a buy all the way until this level here. This is what we're expecting for GBPUSD. NZDJPY, this past week we forecasted this movement from this level all the way until this level. This is what we forecasted. So next week we're expecting just a correction here, then continue up. So if you do not enter from this level or from this level, wait for this correction. We'll be buying from this level after this correction. And it's also possible that we could get a sharp down here. If we get this sharp down here, we'll be looking forward for this buy opportunity. So if you enter from this level or from this level, just shift your stop loss to break even to be safe, so that just in case we get this sharp down, you are safe. Then you look for another buy from this level here. This is EURUSD. EURUSD, we forecasted this up move here. This is an up move that was forecasted, and the movement was over 400 pips. Then we forecasted this down move here, this pullback, then this down move. Now this past week we forecasted this movement from here all the way until this level here. So this next week we're expecting a bigger correction here, then all the way up. So if you didn't get a good entry here or here, you can wait, because we're expecting this correction here until this level, then we go with the up move. So you can wait for the up move. This is USDJPY. USDJPY, this past week we talked about this pivot point here. We see that from this level we're expecting a down move all the way until this level. So if you haven't got an entry yet, wait. We're expecting a correction here, then we go down with a down move. So you can enter from this level. Or if we get a sharp up here and then we get an entry, you can enter from this level here. Just wait. Do not sell from here. Wait for a pullback, then you sell. So just a correction here, then down all the way until this level here. This is EURAUD. As for EURAUD, we forecasted this down move from this level here. We said we're gonna head all the way down here, but now we're getting just a corrective structure here. So after this corrective structure, we're expecting one more sharp up to break this high and this high here. Then after that, we'll be looking forward for the down move all the way until this level here. This is what we're seeing on EURAUD. So wait for this up move, but do not trade it. You can wait to trade the down move here, because it's bigger and it gives more risk to reward. This is AUDUSD. AUDUSD, past 2 weeks we forecasted this corrective structure, then down, and then that's exactly what we got. Then we got a sharp up, then correction. Then after this correction, we forecasted this up move towards this level from here until this level, and then we got that sharp up, then sharp down, then sharp up. So this upcoming week we're waiting for a small correction here, then complete the structure until this level. Then from this level we'll be selling all the way until this level here. That's for AUDUSD. If you do not enter from here or from here, just wait for the setup to complete the structure here, and then just wait to look for an opportunity to sell all the way until this level here. That's for AUDUSD. This is GBPJPY. For GBPJPY, this past week we forecasted this movement all the way until this level here. That's what we forecasted, and we're just moving up like that correctively. So this next week we could get a sharp down move until this level. This is possible. So if you enter from this level, you can shift your stop loss to break even, so that you don't run with a loss on GBPJPY. Then we can look for another buy opportunity. But it's also possible that we should get a corrective structure here, then continue up. If you do not enter from this level, you can wait for this corrective structure until this level, then look for a buy opportunity for GBPJPY. That's what we have. EUROGBP from this level, we focused at a down move, and we got that movement from here until this level. This next week, it's possible that we could get a sharp up until this level, then down. It's possible, and it's also possible that we should get a corrective structure here, then down. If we get this, we'll trade it to the downside. But if we get this, we'll wait, then trade it to the downside. For Euro GBP, overall direction is down. If we get a down move from here or from here, we'll sell it. This is Euro CAD. Euro CAD, this past week we focused at this down move from here all the way until this level. From here all the way until this level. So what we got this sharp down, then we're just moving like that correctively. So this next week we're expecting movement to this level here, then sell all the way until this level. This is what we're expecting. We're expecting a movement to break this previous high, then down all the way until this level here. That's for Euro CAD. This is CADJPY. CADJPY, we focused at this up move from here all the way until this level. So right now we got this sharp up, then we're just moving like that correctively. So this next week we could get this, then sharp down. After we get this sharp down, we can be looking for an up move for CADJPY. That's what we're expecting for CADJPY, but don't trade this down move here. Just wait for this up move all the way until this level. If you enter from anywhere around this level, you can just shift stop loss to break even, so that when you get this, you don't run out with a loss. This is USD CHF. USD CHF, this past week we're expecting just a corrective structure all the way until this level here, but instead we just moved down sharp. So this next week we're looking forward for a correction here, then sell all the way until this level here. So if you are looking forward to selling this all the way until this level, just wait for this corrective structure, then enter from here to get better risk to reward. This is AUDNZD. AUDNZD, we focused at this small correction down, then we focused at this up move last week. So we got this up move, then now we're just moving like that correctively. We're expecting continuation to the upside, and it's also possible that we could get this down move here before we go up. And if we get this down move, please shift your stop loss to break even, so that this doesn't result in a loss. Then after this down move here, you can look for an entry to the upside. That's for AUDNZD. This is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, this past week we're expecting a down move all the way until this level here. That's what we're expecting for Euro NZD, a movement from here all the way until this level. So there's a change of structure. This change of structure, we just got that, we got that, we got that, we got that. So this upcoming, we're expecting an up move to break this previous high. Then after we get this up move, that's when we'll be looking for a down move. We'll be trading this all the way until this level here for Euro NZD. After this up move, we'll be trading this down move. Do not trade this up move from here to here. We want to trade this down move, the bigger down move. Next, we have GBPNZD. GBPNZD, we're looking for a movement from this level here all the way until this level here. That's what we're expecting for GBPNZD, this down move from this level to this level. If you get an entry around this level here, you'll be trading it all the way until this level. And this is on the daily time frame, so you need to wait for confirmation, because this is a lot of pips from here to this level here. This is AUDJPY. AUDJPY, we're expecting this big up move here, but the up move is moving correctively. So this upcoming week, we're expecting just a correction here, then down move, sharp down move. So if you have entered from this level, you can just secure your profits, or just move your stop loss to break even, just to prepare for this down move here. And in case we just continue up here, so that you are safe, but it's more likely that we could get this down move until this level. So if you have not entered this setup from here, just wait for this down move, then we'll be trading this to the upside. That's AUDJPY. AUDUSD, lastly, for AUDUSD, we focused at it from this level all the way until this level, and there's a structure that is forming that is more likely to give us another down move. Be careful if you enter from this level or here. Just shift your stop loss to break even, because we could get a reversal here. Then look for a buy opportunity here. That's AUDUSD.